I started off making daily videos and now I make them whenever I want. Yeah.
Hey, I didn't film when we got here yesterday because we were really tired, but I'm going to show you now the house. Is the entrance door. Here's a funny mannequin with a light. I don't know what that is. This house is owned by an artist. So there are a bit funny things everywhere. Here's the kitchen. And a workspace back here. There's a funny little man. We got a little surprise when we opened up the freezer. There's a frozen chicken. Here is the living room. Here's the bedroom. There's a nice little bathroom in here. Last night, right before we were going to go to bed, we were just feeling the bed because it's quite hard. And a spider just ran across the sheets, which was not a very nice experience. And we didn't manage to catch it, so it's somewhere underneath the bed. I hate spiders, so I didn't sleep very well last night, to say the least. Now we're going to go to Venice Beach. We're only here for like 2 days. Okay, so me and Jos just bought our first ever frozen yogurt. Jos got some chocolate on his. It's really nice. It's really fresh. Okay, we're at the beach.
We're at the beach. Beach, I mean.
Sure are a lot of cars parked here. Okay, let's start walking somewhere. This is the very end of the pier. The very, very end.
I mean, the top is so awesome, right? It's like tourist. Have you ever seen it? Oh my god.
Lots of fish. They're tiny though.
Pigeon. That's the ugliest pigeon I've ever seen.
That's a lot of poop.
I don't think.
That's cool.
Hello. Look into my eye.
I've watched the Shatars way too much, so when I see these hoops over here, I get really excited.
Careful. Oh my god.
He's almost as straight as the tree. Okay guys, if you ever come here, you should know that the Santa Monica Pier and the boardwalk are quite far away from each other, but we made it to the boardwalk finally.
Let's see if Kasim G is here today.
Yeah, I don't think so. Oh, look at that clever bird. He made a sign.